Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rewatch videos on double speed by long press on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. First of all, let's launch the camera, and in the camera mode, we're gonna have to swipe to the right. Now, the last video started playing, so let's keep playing it, and if you want to speed it up and rewatch it at a double speed, just hold your finger on in any area of the screen, and this will make the video play with 2.0x speed. And that's how you fast forward videos on your camera. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.